Hi everyone, my name is Martin Anderson-Klutz, but in the Drupal community, I'm known as ManClut. Happy to give you an update today on the Project Browser initiative. Now, Composer has given us an easier way to bring new modules and themes into our Drupal sites, but finding the right ones is often still a challenge, especially for people new to Drupal. While there continues to be great work done to improve the search on Drupal.org, it would be even better if site builders could find the modules they need without having to leave their own site. The Project Browser initiative is working to fill that gap by adding an interface to browse and search for projects, all directly within your Drupal site. Let's take a look at how it works. Normally, you'll use the Project Browser directly in a Drupal site you manage, but since it's still in early phases of development, the project page includes a button you can use to try out the Project Browser in a fresh install of Drupal. What we're seeing now is a new technology called DrupalCon, which creates a cloud-hosted Drupal development environment on the fly. It's an easy way to get started contributing to Drupal core, but it's also a great way to try out one or more modules, like we're doing today with the Project Browser. With our site installed and ready to use, we can launch its full screen in a new tab by clicking in the top right. Now that we've logged in, we can go up to the Extend menu, and here we'll see a new tab where we can browse projects. We can search among all projects available on Drupal.org, but we can also look through a curated list of recommended projects meant to give site builders the confidence that they're looking through projects that have been vetted and recommended so that they're really production ready. We can also narrow them down by category, for example, by accessibility, and we can also page through different sets of results. Let's go ahead and install this accessibility checker. We could click on the name to see the project page on Drupal.org, and in a future phase, we'll be able to click here to automatically download and install the project into our site code. But for today, because it's still an early phase of development, it's going to give us the instructions on how to install it ourselves. So let's copy those and switch back to our IDE, which will start the process of using Composer to download the module to our site. We can install the module through Drush, but let's go ahead and enable it through the site UI the same way a site builder might. With our module installed, we can go to the home page and we can see that our accessibility checker is already working. No accessibility errors detected. Thanks, Drupal. And that's a first look at the Project Browser. We hope you'll try it out yourself and share your feedback, either in issues on the project in Drupal.org or in the Project Browser channel on Drupal Slack.